Hey guys, it's Mark again from the block at Keller Williams Realty. And hey, it's been about a week or so now, and hopefully there's been some good activity, and maybe even talking about doing an open house at this point is a common activity amongst real estate professionals and homeowners that are selling on their own. And so we want to look at a couple of things when holding a house open. And first off, of course, the obvious, we want to make sure that the place is clean, the landscape is all buttoned up. Let's take a look at a couple other things. First off, what's the scent that people are getting when they first walk in? Do we have some potpourri going on the stove? Is there some cookies that have been cooking? Just anything that's going to be kind of warm the house up a little bit. Let's make sure that all the lights are on, right? We want to see that electric meter just like jamming, right? Because we want to have every light on in the house, right? No matter closet, bathrooms, everywhere. Let's have that place real bright. All right, let's definitely have a sign-in sheet. All right, buyers are notorious for walking in and out of open houses unbeknownst and without any information. It's difficult to follow up with them afterwards. So do the best that you can to engage buyers as they come in, encourage them to please sign in, and let's ask them a few leading questions, all right? Like, for example, what part of town do they currently live in? All right, how long have they been at that address, right? And if they were to move, where would they like to be next, right? And what are the features and benefits about this home that they like? And then also, what are some things that they change, or can we ask for some constructive criticism? Feedback is probably one of the most difficult things to get in this business, professional or not. And so, but if we're engaging people and we're asking them if there's anything that they would change about this house, they'll probably be honest with us about it. And that's some really good feedback for, either making an improvement or perhaps a price adjustment to consider that. All right. Now, secondly, and this is another complimentary service that we do offer, is if you would be interested in prospecting around your neighborhood, we've got a fantastic service called Neighborhood Search, where we can get all the contact information of the folks around you. It's actually something that we do for our listing clients, and contact the neighbors around, if anything, just by phone, by email or text, to let them know about your home that's for sale. And that's something that we'd be more than happy to talk with you about as well. So any other questions on this, please reach out to us. If you'd like to get a list of your neighbors around there, which statistically does produce a high number of buyers locally, please let us know. We'd be happy to help in any way that we can. And again, Mark with the Keller Williams, and we look forward to next time.